Standalone transformers can leave you feeling a little boxed in. With the multi-talented PooLUX series, you have room to do more. PooLUX is an all-new safety-listed power unit for fountains, swimming pools, and spa lighting that comes in a modern, non-corrosive housing with an integrated on-off switch and an optional wireless remote. Under the hood, the PooLUX series provides an expansive workspace that is 200% larger than traditional transformers. It has convenient terminal strip wiring, as well as multiple internal fuses that help protect against overcurrent conditions. If you want the full PooLUX effect, pair our new transformers with our ultra-reliable Treo LED lights. Kits are available in 1, 2, or 3 light configurations and include a free micro LED accent light. Visit srsmith.com for more information.